Hi, my name is Anya, and today we want to make some coconut ice. And if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to notify every time I upload. I upload every day, Monday to Friday. In a bowl, sift together 2 1/3 cups of icing sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar, add in 1 tin of condensed milk, 3 1/2 cups of coconut, mix until well combined. Separate this mixture into 2 bowls. To one bowl, add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and to the other mixture, add in 1 teaspoon of rose essence. And a few drops of pink food coloring. Mix until well combined. First, press the plain mixture into the pan. Smooth out evenly. Then on top, add in the pink mixture, smooth out evenly. Place in the fridge for about 3 hours just to firm up. Cut into pieces and enjoy!